Hey guys, Brandon with Transupply.com. So we have a 36-inch checkered orange and white airport flag that without a dowel that I wanted to just sort of unbox, or in this case unpackage for you guys. So model number is the AF36N. We'll put it right here, and then at the bottom you'll see a link where you can purchase or see additional details and pictures. So check it out here. This is just one that I had sent in. Open it up. We got, comes in the plastic package like this. So it folds out, you know, this is going to be 3 feet each direction, so it's going to be fairly big. But just so you can get an idea of what it's going to look like. And you'll see the dowel. Now, a lot of people buy these without dowels. Dowel is the piece that, basically like the staff that holds it. A lot of people buy them with dowels. A lot of people buy them without dowels. Some people put them on trucks, or they already have a pole they're gonna use. The hole where the dowel would go is right here. I don't know if you can see that. So that just slides right through, secures in the other end, closed end here. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's a 36-inch airport flag, commonly used at airports. We don't get too many questions about these since they are fairly straightforward. Yeah, any questions, leave them in the comments below.